Hey guys, we're going to have you explore some careers. So last year in advisory, you spent a few days doing a career inventory. I think it was called Career Interest Profiler, where it asked you lots of questions and then it popped out like some careers that you might be interested in according to your responses. So we're going to have you revisit that, revisit the list of careers that you favorited and explore them further. So you will go to your app waffle in your email or from your drive and go down to the Naviance icon. It should take you to the Naviance dashboard. From here, you can go to the careers tab at the top or on your dashboard, the heart, and then it says I'm thinking about careers and clusters. I'm just going to go up here to the careers tab and go to home. I'm thinking about, and it pops up the list of things I favorited last year. So I'm going to choose one of these, just kind of relook at them. And yeah, I think accounting still sounds interesting, but I don't know that much about it. So what you're going to do is you're going to be exploring 3 of these careers that you favorited last year. So accountants is one I'm going to explore. So I'm going to go to careeronestop.org. And the link is in the slides on your homepage of Canvas. And I'm gonna type my career in the search box. So accountant, make sure you spell it correctly. And it brings up some information. So I'm gonna go learn more about this career. Okay, so now it brings up an occupation profile for accounting. So we're gonna have you fill out a Google form, also linked in your slides, that asks you to type the name of the career description, the career outlook, which means like, will that career still be in need of new employees in the future? Education experience to get started, typical wages, typical activities that you might do in a day in that job, and any related occupations. So you can find all that information on the occupation profile. So there's just a brief description of what an accountant does. So we want you to read it, and then you can, I'm fine if you like copy paste this. So analyze financial information. Hit Control-C to copy. Control-V will paste. Career choice is accountant. Okay, so career outlook. Will there be jobs? New job opportunities are very likely in the future. So it's a bright career outlook. Education and experience to get started. There's lots of information on here. We're just having you choose some. So it says bachelor's degree. You do not need prior experience. And it says no on-the-job training, but you're going to find most careers give you some training when you get the job. But there's not like years of, apprenticeship. So I need a bachelor's degree is the big thing there, I would say. Oops, where's my form? Okay, typical wages. So there's a few things you can do in the typical wages. There's a graph, there's a chart, there's a table. You can go to see more wages. I think in all of this that the 25% number is a good place to start because these are all accountants, so with lots of experience, with very little experience. So, the median, the 75%, and the 90% are the upper levels of accountants, the middle to upper level, but since you're young, or since I'm young and I'm going to be a new accountant, I probably want to take the 10% or 25% number, and I'm just going to take this 25% number. So 55.9, oops, would be a typical pay. Okay, that's annual salary. What might I do in a day in this job? So typical education, certifications, do I need a license? Do I need an apprenticeship? So here's activities that I might do in a day. Maintain data and information systems or databases. Examine financial records or processes. I only need to choose 2 of these. Usually the top ones are what you'll most likely do in the day. And then a related occupation. So here's knowledge I need for this job, skills I need. Related occupation. So I'm going to put, because I'm interested in this one, financial analyst. Okay, and then I hit next, and I'm done with that career, and now I choose another career and repeat. So I go back to my dashboard, choose another one of these, so maybe math teacher, secondary math teacher, and explore that, and fill in my Google form, my second section for So that's what you'll be doing. Submit your form. Thanks.